RHS Pre-Calculus presents
Math boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Just doing my patrol of Theta World right now, I have a dangerous job. I'm responsible for anyone who breaks the laws of math, and there has recently been an increase in the abuse of the law of cosines. So let me fill you in on how to properly use the law of cosines. First, the triangle must be side, 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 or side angle side, as in 3 sides are given, or 2 sides and an angle in between are given. Now one can put this information into the 3 formulas of the law of cosine. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A, b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine B, or c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine C. By simply replacing values that you have in your triangle into this formula, you can now solve the rest of the sides and angles through other methods, such as the law of sines.
We have a code 542 on Sine Avenue, a pre-calculus sophomore abusing the law of cosines in broad daylight. Over.
I'm heading there right now. Fill me in while I'm on my way.
He's trying to use the law of sine for an SSS triangle. Over.
I can see him right now. I'll call him after I apprehend the suspect. Over and out. Stop right there, fool!
I didn't do nothing, yo!
Don't tell me I didn't just see you use the law of sines on an SSS triangle.
Yo, what you talking about?
Don't tell me you've never heard the law of cosines.
Huh?
The only way to find the missing values of an SAS or SSS triangle. Let my partner explain. Yo, the suspect here says he doesn't know what the law of cosines is. Show him how it's done.
Well, we have a triangle with sides 6, 13, and 10. So the first step is to plug it into the equation. I assume you already know the equation. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. Then you must put in your values, and by setting a equals 6, b equals 10, and c equals 13, then we have that 6 squared equals 10 squared plus 13 squared minus 2, open parentheses, 10 times 13, close parentheses, cosine A. Therefore, by going another step, we have that 36 equals 100 plus 169 minus 260 cosine A. With some more addition, we have that 36 equals 269 minus 260 cosine A. Next, we can find that negative 233 equals negative 260 cosine A. Finally, by dividing, we get that 233 divided by 260 equals cosine A. Use the law of cosine to solve the rest.
Is that all?
I'll cover from here. We just got a little more to go. Now, by taking the arc cosine of everything, we can find angle A to be arc cosine of 233 over 260.
Are there any applications?
Well,
Of course. Any problem that involves triangles when you are only given an SSS triangle or a SAS triangle. To name a few, aviation problems, there are some boating problems, and some lookout tower distance problems.
That's cool. I'm leaving now.
hold up. Hold up! You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Stop right there! Get him off our streets, officer!